A strong magnitude 5.4 earthquake occurred in the South Pacific Ocean 139 kilometers, 86 miles from Fiji in the evening of Saturday, August 23, 2025 at 8:01 p.m. local time, GMT-12. The quake had a great depth of 348 kilometers, 216 miles, and was not felt, or at least not reported so. First to report, GFZ after 10 minutes. Data source from Volcano Discovery. Did you feel it? Let us pray. May the earthquake that occurred not affect our brothers and sisters there. May the earthquake not happen again. And may God protect everyone. Amen.